Congratulations, you made it through. When we started, maybe you felt nervous. Maybe you'd worried you'd bore people or that your audience wouldn't react or that you'd lose your place. Those are the real fears that hold authors back from sharing their message. But look at what you've done here. You now know how to connect with your audience so they feel seen. Use your body to stand strong, pause with power, and own the stage. And shape your content so it sticks. This wasn't about perfection. It was about practice. Little steps, small wins, building confidence with every rep. Now, your job is simple. Practice. Take what you've learned, apply it in real life, and keep growing. The next time you speak, you'll bring more clarity, more presence, and more confidence because you've prepared for it. Remember, the world doesn't need another perfect speech. The world needs your voice. Thanks for letting me be a part of your journey. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. Now go out there, take the mic, and make it memorable.